Hi, today we're going to talk about tabs, and what I've done is I've put together just a before and after to show you. So this is the after. What I want to do is I want to have my grade scale set up in 4 different columns, as you can see, and you can look at the ruler, and the selected range that I have is showing me that I have tabs set for this range. Okay, now let's look at the before right here, and what I want to do is create these tab stops. Right now there is not tab stops on my ruler, so I'm going to select the range, and then I'm going to verify that my tab selection box has the tab stop that I want, and I do want a left tab stop. I'm going to come over on the ruler, click right here at the 0.5. I'm going to click on the point, or on the 2. I'm going to click at 3.5, and then I'm going to click on the 5. And then what I'm going to do is click my mouse right in front of the first piece of text that I want to tab over. So I just press tab now, and you can see how it moved everything over. I click in front of the 83%, tab over. I'm going to click in front of the 73%, tab over, 63%, tab over. Go to the next line, and I begin again. And you can see that each time that I press tab, it automatically moves that section underneath the correct tab stop. There we go. So this was the before, which now looks like the after over here. Okay, now I know that looked pretty easy, but tabs can be difficult. For one reason is because sometimes you'll create your tab stops and then you might decide, oh, I want to scoot this over a little bit. Well, if that's the case, the most important thing is to remember to go back and select the entire range if you're wanting to make a change. It's quite easy. Once you select the range, you could just click on the tab stop and drag it where you want to go. Okay, so that's fine, you can do that. But a lot of people make the mistake of just being too hasty, and they'll like click on, one of the areas, and then if you move that tab stop, let's say, see how it only moves on that row, it doesn't move the other rows. Now watch this. If I go back and I select the range, all of my tab stops have disappeared. This is a very important piece of information. If you start changing one row at a time, it's no longer connected together. So now what I have to do is I have to fix this line to put it back like the other ones. Now when I select my range, I can see all my tab stops. So basically, if your tab stops disappear, it's probably because you have one line that is different. And if that's the case, you would just click line by line and look. And then as you're looking at each line, you can identify, do you have an extra tab stop in there by accident? Did you move one slightly over? And then you would just need to fix it. Okay, that's it.